Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Sky Avenue by Butra and Balaji Group located in Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and opposite to the sales office we have the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other consisting platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let me take you and show you the actual land parcel of the project. As you can see, this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where the construction is in full swing. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acre that has one tower of ground plus 38 story, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. Now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Deepak Hospital Lane opposite to 7th Square School, Mira Road, from where Mira Road railway station is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers. Upcoming metro is at a distance of 2 minutes walk. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 7 to 8 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with gym, clubhouse, garden, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 506 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 724 square feet. Now, let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Sky Avenue by Butra and Balaji Group located in Mira Road.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.